My name is Richard Warburton. I'm Operations Manager at Pettinaroli UK, and I'm pleased to introduce to you the Pettinaroli FilterBall valve. The Pettinaroli FilterBall is an on-off ball valve with an interchangeable strainer that allows for easy removal that will assist in easy maintenance operations. This single valve has two important functions. First of all, the perfect sealing of the ball valve. Secondly, the filtering of the water so that all components within the system are protected. Compared with the traditional solution of using multiple components, the FilterBall offers advantages of cost, space and ease of maintenance. Our FilterBall is easy to inspect and is made of corrosion-resistant brass alloy CW602N. Stem with triple safety 2 O-rings PTFE ring fitted from the inside to prevent tampering, extraction or bursting. Double tightening in the joint between body and end connection. Stuffing box movable. Solid spheres are made using diamond tools and chromium plated to the required thickness. Reversible handle. Automatic cleaning device with back flush feature, available in 1/2 inch to 2 inch variants. For more information, please visit our website at www.pettinaroliuk.com.